Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to teach you guys how to delete any account that's on your credit reports. So I saw this comment here. Someone was asking, hey, do you have any information on timeshares? I love to delete mine. It's useless. So I was letting them know, you can send a charge off letter to work to remove that account from your credit report, but understand that just because you get an account deleted does not mean you do not have to pay. But the key to removing any account on your credit reports, sometimes people are starting to be late on a certain account and they want to delete that account right away. The key to all of this is to find out what is going to be after the 6 months of no paying. So you have to understand that your credit cards are going to turn into a charge off. So you need to make sure that you start targeting that account as if it is a charge off now, and then you have a greater chance of it getting removed. I have special targeted letters for like student loans. If it's like a bankruptcy or collection, whatever it is, you have to use targeted letters for whatever it is. Now, I do have a free letter available on my website if you guys would like to use it. So when you go to my website, Rickita.com, you guys will get this free dispute letter right here. And an example of that letter is this, because I did this before, I believe, when I was doing like example disputes for like a live video. All you have to do is just plug in what negative accounts you have. So let me show you. They put their name, address, social security number, date of birth. All this information is fake. This is not real information. I just want to show you an example of what it will look like, but that's what you have to put there. And then you'll list your accounts. So the account name, the account number, and if it was you were never late on the account, but that you were never late, please remove the late payment from my payment history. Whatever's going on with that account, you will list it here. Some accounts you may say that you just need to get fully deleted, like a collection or a charge off. So you'll put the name of the account number, and then you'll just keep this information. Not mine, no contract, no liable. You keep that information there. And you see we have to do that for quite a few accounts. And then put your name down here at the bottom. And remember, I really like, and I'm having a lot of problems with the credit bills right now, but I would really like if you guys were to send all of your letters certified mail. So if you guys were to mail anything, I would suggest that you guys send it certified mail. That way you can put your tracking number in, that's right here, and you can be able to see when he actually got it, because the credit bureaus are saying right now, like, oh, we never got the letter, that's why we never responded. And it's all just bullcrap, to be honest with you. But if you don't have that tracking, then they can really say whatever they want to say. So I do say, if you're going to send out letters to the credit bureaus or any companies in your credit reports, do send it certified. That way you can say for sure when they got it. You have all the details about that. It is going to be more to do it that way, but it will be best for you in the long run. Now, not only do you guys have that option of sending this letter out, again, you basically send a letter to the credit bureaus for any account. Okay, and this is the letter you will send to all 3 credit bureaus, Equifax, Treasury, and Experian. But not only could you send this blanket letter here, you can also scroll down some. I have some for late payments. And when it comes down to these letters here, the first round is going to the credit bureaus. So you got to send, I think this one come with like 3 rounds of letters. So 3 months worth. This is the target, and you should have it off within the 3 months as long as you follow the steps. So what it is the first letter goes to the credit bureaus. The second month is just the second letter. One will go to the credit bureaus and one will go to the actual company that's on your credit report. So if you had late payments with Discover, that Discover letter is going to go directly to Discover. And then that third month, if it's not deleted, remember, you're going to keep going if it's not deleted. That third month, you want to send it to the company that's on your credit reports and also the credit bureaus. But you have different kinds. You got late payments, student loans, collections, charge-off, bankruptcy. You have different kinds. And I also have my membership. You guys can learn how to send out dispute letters, how everything works, and if you guys have the membership, I'll be able to mail the letters on my end for free to take that guessing game out for you guys. You shouldn't have to purchase any of those letters. Like if you have my membership, we can actually mail them out on my end. But I suggest, even if you ask me to mail them out, please ask about the certified, because it's really best if you guys really send out your letters certified, honestly. If you're not sending them certified, then the credit bureaus can easily say that they haven't received them. And I literally just came back from the post office to record this. And I had to mail out some letters certified, but it's best because I can go back in and track and see, when they actually got the letter. So they can't just say they never got it. And usually in like the third month, I'll tell you all to send out complaints to the Better Business Bureau, the CFPB. And when you have that certified receipt, because you're going to keep part of this. So it's going to be the part that you're going to keep. It's going to be stamped to let them know the date that they got it, where you sent it to. When you have this, you got a greater chance of them actually just deleting it when you send out complaints too. Okay, so that's why I tell people to do that. Again, any account that is on your credit reports. So if you guys have special accounts that you need to remove, then this is what this would be. It's like really any account. And let me see if I have. So I have this alive from. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So this is a sample credit report. Let's look at it together. So if you guys have personal information on your credit reports, as you can see here, this person it's just a sample, but you want to make sure that you only have one address, and that address do not have any negative account associated with it. And then also, all of these accounts right here, they're all negative. It says derogatory on them. They need to remove these accounts from their credit reports. So they'll see if it's a revolving or if it's a credit card, then you want to send a charge off letter for it because it's charged off. The first one at the top is an auto loan. You guys can use a charge off letter for that also. And then this one here is a collection. So you just have to figure out what accounts you have and then work to get them deleted from your credit reports. Now, again, if you guys were to want to send out letters for targeted accounts, you can have multiple collections and send them all on that one letter that's going to the credit bureaus, and then send individual ones out. Say if you used to get like the package of collection letters, and these packages only $27, so it's no reason why you guys can't just send out those letters and start work to remove those accounts from your credit reports. Okay, but again, the letter that's going to the credit bureaus, you can put all of your collections on that one letter. When you get to round 2 and round 3, you're going to want to send out letters directly to that company, and please send all of that stuff certified. I have a lot of videos too, like of me showing y'all exactly how to send out the letters, how to even fill out the letter too. So go on to like my live, look at some of my previous lives where it's like 53 accounts deleted, 27 accounts deleted. You'll see stuff like that. Once you see that, then you'll know those are from disputes. Those are from disputes. That's where we actually showing you how to properly dispute. So just watch those videos, and you guys should be able to remove your account from your credit reports. If you guys have any questions, you guys can go to my website, Rickita.com, and schedule a call. All you have to do is go to the top of my website when you first come in, Rickita.com, and click right here on schedule a call. So yes, you can schedule a call with me or somebody on my team. If you guys ever have any questions, I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. But again, any account you have on your credit reports, you can technically get it deleted. Just follow the steps of actually sending it into the credit bureau. Stay consistent, do complaints with the Better Business Bureau, CFPB. And the thing is, most of your accounts, even the ones that's positive, got errors, and that's the reason why these accounts should be removed from your credit reports, because if there's errors on it, then you guys are able to actually get them deleted. So definitely check for those different errors and like the balance and the day open and things like that. But if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I'll see you guys